Ayo Wassup, as y'all probably came here because of my last 2 videos about notebook cover, which sort of blew up. Not really, but still. So we'll be making some more today, although I apologize for the lack of trying. For book 1 I'll be showing first how to make a book. Of course you can make this on any size of the book, but I was, as you can see, not trying at all, so I made a mini zine version of the book. Also Among Us. Do y'all wanna play sometime? For book 2 I made another mini book and painted the cover black and drew some moon faces with white pen. For book 3 I colored another mini book black and then tried graffiti, but oh well. For book 4 I did not color the cover black this time, but I drew some grid lines and then stuck a piece of paper which had some shades of brown. For book 5, well, here I messed up the first time, so I redid this again. So this blue one is the original piece and I completely forgot to film the new one, so here's digital version instead. Thank you so much for watching. I'll probably see next year. Bye.